We have made it to the halfway point of March, and we've definitely been seeing spring-like conditions. As spring typically comes with some of these waves and those temperatures, as well as noting that it does bring some impressive winter storms, as that was definitely seen across Colorado and did clip some of our mountain ranges as well. Now, as we look at the temperatures even experienced, we had a mild start to the week, keeping temperatures 5 to 15 degrees above normal, but then we pushed into that wintry feel, and we did hold to some of those cooler temperatures for our Friday as well, but Saturday we're going to be back on that climb. We're even noting that we're starting off the morning seasonable at about 25, and then we'll be heading into those upper 40s. So we're only a few degrees off from seasonal conditions, and it's going to be pretty pleasant weather paired up with it. Not dealing with too much wind in place. We're going to have some sunnier conditions for our Saturday. Touch of cloud cover on Sunday with a system passing on by. Not expecting to bring any impacts here locally. May bring some snow showers to those far northern Bighorn Mountains, but what it will tap us into though is going to be a return of some southerly winds Sunday into Monday. So that's going to bring some warming conditions, but some gustier conditions we'll also have to track for. But it's still going to stay pretty quiet to start off next work week before end of week changes will bring us back to some precipitation potential. So here for our Saturdays, we start off into those 20s. We'll head into those 40s. We do keep a light variable northerly wind generally. That's what's going to keep us from seeing that extent of hitting those 50s, but still looking at near normal conditions. And again, not too gusty for those winds. We're even seeing some areas like Worland, Gillette, Newcastle get back into those 50s. Cody even 49, Riverton 42, Lander through Cheyenne still into those 30s, as that's an area that's still seeing some of that snow melt ongoing, which keeps some of those air temperatures a little bit on the cooler side. So not far off from seasonable conditions here from those 40s to those 50s. And we'll head into that Sunday forecast. As mentioned, a little bit more cloud cover. You can see even Buffalo, Casper through Rapid City there, but similar temperatures still in a sense as we are holding on to that seasonable trend. But as we head into that Monday forecast, that's when we are going to be back to talking on some of those stronger winds. So again, more of that variability for winds there Saturday and Sunday that aren't going to be too influential. Then we start to tap into some of that southwesterly wind there. You can see Monday through Wednesday. Now, not looking to be high wind concerns by any means, more of a typical Wyoming wind, something that we will be able to definitely manage at times. And with melting ongoing over the weekend, hopefully that should also mitigate the potential of any blowing and drifting snow concern. So we'll see that we'll get back to that southwesterly flow, and we quickly watch that we're back up into those mid to even upper 50s. So back to about 10 degrees above normal with sunshine. And then we'll see by the end of the week, as mentioned, that's where our next weather maker will be pushing in. It looks to stay mild at onset there Thursday into Friday, but we'll have to see how that system evolves as it works its way into that weekend forecast.